Okay. My name is Jessica Bradshaw. I am the HR and recruitment manager for Aurora Medical Spa. I have had a heavy hand in assisting with like developing processes and SOPs and standardizing things across the company, the inconsistencies across our locations, and then pushing out what the standard process would be for those issues. We have 7 locations right now. We are opening our 8th this summer, and then we're hoping to also have a 9th at the end of this year. Our main goal was to develop training programs for each department. So we started developing those training programs and quickly realized how much we didn't have in writing. That was one piece of the puzzle. Then we found ourselves, we were saving everything on Google Drive, and we could not keep up or identify what the most updated version of those documents were. And so all of this work we were putting in, it was becoming kind of irrelevant. So our owner quickly identified, she's like, we need somewhere to store all of our documents that is the single source of truth. And that's when we started researching what software was available. Whale is so effective and easy to use. Since we are growing so quickly, our employees are having to learn a lot of new platforms to use, which they're also doing their normal job. So we didn't want this to be a huge learning curve. Our main goal was to get them the information when they need it and have easy access to it. You just type your question in the search bar and it reads all the documents and it spits out an answer, and then it also gives you a direct link to the document. The biggest benefit I would say for our company so far is the confidence it's given our employees. So we're a medical spa. Things are constantly changing just in the industry, and then also things are changing within Aurora because we're growing. So it's hard to keep up. And when an employee gives the wrong information, that really hurts them, their confidence, and then it also affects the client's experience. So just giving our employees that resource, I think, has improved their overall satisfaction working at Aurora and like their confidence in being able to do their job. Our CEO said, I feel like we're actually getting a return on investment with Whale. It doesn't matter the position, it's a valuable tool for every single person in our company.